A guide to We've Got the Rhythm. We've Got the Rhythm is a rhythm memory tune-up activity. It utilizes working memory recall, coordination, and pattern recognition.
1, 2, 3, and 4.
Nice. Okay, so back to We've Got the Rhythm. We've got the rhythm.
We've got the rhythm.
We've got the beat.
We've got the beat.
We pass the rhythm.
We pass the
To
rhythm.
everyone we meet.
To everyone we meet.
Spontaneous call and response of rhythm ideas increases readiness and breeds focus and creativity to prime your learning environment.
Sometimes we say, I can't do it. But the thing to say is, sometimes we say, I'm going to try, but I'm going to try it with the help of my body because my body can do it. Your body's got rhythm. Your body can do it.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We got the rhythm.
We got the rhythm.
We got the beat.
We got the beat.
We pass the rhythm.
We pass the rhythm.
Everyone we meet.
To everyone we meet.
Here are some techniques to mix it up. Use sound with movement. Use it as a memory tool. Take it to the floor.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Tenemos el ritmo. Ritmo tocado. Pasamos el ritmo. Say 1, 2.
For a challenge, cross the midline.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Or use body numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1.
2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4.
2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4.
2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1.
2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 2, 1.
All right, well,
Then, pass the rhythm.
we pass the rhythm
We pass the rhythm
to Miss LaRue.
to Miss
1, 2, 3, 4.
All right.
1, 2, 3, 4.
We Got the Rhythm is a great way to start a lesson with focus and intention.